Today, I'm going to share 5 foundational changes to build resilience, especially if you're dealing with adrenal fatigue or stress-related illnesses. Now, stick around to the end because I'm going to share one of my favorite high-stress tips that can have a huge impact on your ability to handle stress in those intense times. Now, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications. I upload new videos every day with tips on managing adrenal fatigue and optimizing your health. So let's dive right in with the first tip, which is a simple but powerful addition to your daily routine. Keep omega-3s in your daily regimen. One of the first things I recommend to anyone dealing with stress is a high-quality fish oil or cod liver oil supplement. The omega-3s found in those oils are incredibly effective at reducing inflammation, which is essential because chronic stress itself is highly inflammatory. Omega-3s help soothe that inflammation, and they can even stabilize mood. You want to aim for at least 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. Research also shows that omega-3s help balance cortisol, which is your main stress hormone, which improves stress resilience over time. And a small change like that can have a huge impact. Number 2 is to add anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. Supporting stress tolerance through diet can make a major difference, and anti-inflammatory foods are a great option. Try incorporating foods like fish, seafood, nuts and seeds, even spices like ginger and turmeric, and green tea regularly. These foods help reduce internal stress and they build resilience over time. They're also pretty easy to add to your meals. You can just add turmeric to soups or tea, or swap your coffee out for some green tea. Now remember, some foods can be a little stimulating, so especially if you have adrenal fatigue, so just listen to your body. Number 3 is salt and electrolyte supplementation daily. Did you know that staying hydrated with a pinch of sea salt can improve your stress tolerance? Low sodium levels can make you feel sluggish and more easily stressed. Adding just a pinch of sea salt to a glass of water, especially in the morning, it keeps your electrolyte levels balanced. You could also try a low sugar electrolyte mix as well. So this small habit, it helps you feel more grounded and less susceptible to daily stress. Now, number 4 is blood sugar pairing with every meal and snack. Managing blood sugar is one of the most overlooked aspects of stress management. Balancing blood sugar helps avoid the highs and lows that mimic a stress response. So when your blood sugar is steady, you're less likely to experience the energy dips that add stress. The key is pairing protein and healthy fat with any carbs. Now, animal foods tend to control blood sugar the best because they naturally have protein and fat, but non-animal sources can work too. So, for example, if you're having an apple, add a handful of nuts or nut butter. Or if you're having a little toast, top it with an avocado. Keeping blood sugar stable helps reduce the physical stress on the body. Also, remember to have a small fat or protein snack before bed. Keep your blood sugar stable all night, which limits your chances of you waking. Now, number 5 is the supplement Cerephos. And I saved this one for last because it can be a lifesaver during high stress periods. Cerephos, which is phosphorylated serine. It's especially helpful if you feel wired or tired and your mind won't shut off. High cortisol levels can cause that feeling, which makes it hard to rest, focus, even sleep. Cerephos helps to buffer the stress response. It gives your body a chance to rest. I often recommend it in the evening because it promotes better sleep, which is key if you're going to recover. As always, you want to follow your provider's recommendations, but I typically use 1 to 2 capsules a couple hours before bedtime, and then another 1 to 2 right before bed. Now, if this video resonated with you, please like it and share it with somebody you know.